This is a quick product review on the Senville Aura, and I bought the 33,000 BTU unit. I installed it myself. I did it last week and it is working great. I have it just set to 78 right now, but you can, adjust your setting. There's several other installation videos, so I didn't plan on doing an install video on this just because there's a few out there that are really detailed. If you just briefly look around, they're all over. There's a couple that are better than others, but they're definitely already out there. I didn't really feel the need to do another install video. But in terms of how well does this thing work, it works really good. I live in Arizona. It's been 110 to 115 out, and when it's 115 outside, I have been in here and had it in the mid 70s. I haven't really turned it down any lower than that. I don't want to freeze up in here. It's working awesome, and I also don't want to overwork the unit. I don't know that would be a possibility, but it is brand new. I don't want to have any issue early on. It's been working great every day.